Okay, in this video we're going to talk about using global variables in a Python function. Now, some programmers consider using globals as going to the dark side of the force. I'm not one of those because sometimes they really help, and who wouldn't want to be able to shoot lightning from their hands and zap their enemies sometimes. So let's look at the basics here. I'm going to declare an everywhere variable that is equal to 1,000. And in this function here, I'm going to try to print that function. Now, what this demonstrates is that you can read a global function anywhere within other functions. It will find it. So let's run that code and see right here it says reading everywhere inside read val. Oh, it found it at 1,000. Now, what happens if I try to set everywhere to a different value? Now, this is something that you might not expect if you're new to Python. But once you say everywhere equal 50, it goes, hey, you must mean a new everywhere, something that's not everywhere. And so it creates a local variable called everywhere, at which point any further activity will reference that variable. So I'm going to set everywhere to 50 within my set val. I'm going to run that. It's going to print out the local version, and then I'm going to print out the global version outside of that function. Sure enough, it's 50 inside the function and 1,000 everywhere. So that's sort of what makes this confusing is reading works, but setting the value doesn't work. And I remember running across this the first time, and it took me probably 30 minutes to an hour to figure out what the hell is going on here. All right, so now comes in the keyword global. And this is where you say, I know this variable is global, and I want to use it that way. So here we have it, set val2. I'm going to declare global everywhere. Then I'm going to set everywhere to 50, and then I'm going to read it outside, and sure enough, it's 50, and then it's 50 on the outside. So that's it in a nutshell. You have the global keyword that allows you to explicitly say, I want to use this variable in the global sense of the word, and not create a new local one. So hit subscribe if you haven't already. Please hit the like button. It helps me build an audience here, and I'll see you in the next video.